guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Ismabad. In today's video, I will tell you how to add filters on picture from gallery from Snapchat. Firstly, we will open Snapchat, then open gallery, tap on camera roll, tap on any different picture you want to edit or add filter. Tap on this left side pencil. As you can see, sixth option. Tap on the sixth option. There are many filters. These are top, these are color, these are frames, effects, face, body, everything you can edit from here. Tap on the filter which you want to add on your picture. I will add this shadow. As you can see, it's add. As you can see, picture is edited. Filter is applied. Then tap on export. Swipe little bit. Then you can see an option of download. Your snap is exported. Save as copy. Tap on camera roll. As you can see, your picture will appear here on Snapchat as well. Also, you can send it to your friends. As you can see, there is option of send. You can send to your friends or anyone. And also this picture will appear to your gallery as well, as you can see. So if the video was helpful for you, then please give it a huge thumbs up. Also subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share, comment, and